To use going to work routine on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Tap useful on the go and then select going to work. To make this routine works, you need to set the time when this routine will active. To do so, tap time period. As the example, we will set it to weekdays from 8 AM to 8:30 AM. Tap done button to save your time setting. If the current lock screen app doesn't suit with your need, you can change it by tapping change lock screen shortcut. As the example, we will set the left shortcut to Gmail and then the right shortcut to WhatsApp. Tap done button to save your lock screen app setting. Next, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With this routine on your list, your phone will automatically enable going to work routine on weekdays from 8 AM to 8:30 AM. When this routine is active, the screen brightness will be set to 60%. And the lock screen app shortcut will change to Gmail for the left shortcut and WhatsApp for the right shortcut. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.